Hi, I'm Winston Weinberg. I'm the CEO at Harvey. And before this, I used to be a securities and antitrust litigator at O'Melveny & Myers.
And I'm Gabe, president at Harvey. Prior to this, did LLM research at Meta and was a research scientist at DeepMind and Brain.
At Harvey, our main goal is empowering knowledge workers. Society is getting more and more complex, and lawyers, folks that work in tax, compliance, etc., the work that they're having to do is getting much harder over time. We need to build systems in order to navigate those workflows. The goal of our company is we want a meaningful percentage of knowledge work to be done on our platform. There is an increasing level of complexity in text synthesis in legal. And because of that, you have kind of an army of folks reviewing all of these documents for a decent chunk of their careers. And so what we're trying to do is train platforms and systems that can look at a new set of documents and you know the process. And because you know the process, it doesn't matter if you haven't seen that document before, you haven't seen that problem before, you can come up with a solution to it.
A lot of the legal workflows and processes are so specialized that we found solutions that work very well for legal that don't necessarily work well in other domains. A lot of that comes from having lawyers like Winston, like the other product lawyers we have, that really understand the task and let us build kind of AI associates or these agent systems that can reason and perform actions similar to a lawyer solving these complex tasks.
The reason why Microsoft is incredibly important to us is it already is the platform that probably more knowledge workers use on Earth than anything else. And so it has a trusted brand. And also folks are used to working in the product suite. And for us, it's incredibly important that we maintain that trust.
Every law firm is on Azure. From a security perspective, I think it's also super important of being able to bring these solutions to customers in their kind of native cloud. And so there's a bunch of technical reasons as well why Microsoft is a really great partner for this.
It's not enough to have a platform that works very, very well. It also needs to be easy to use and familiar. We use OpenAI Azure for a lot of our workflows.
We're using Microsoft AI in a number of places in our product. The most obvious is to serve some of our foundation models, and then as well for embedding models and other systems we're building. A lot of our product involves document processing, large text analysis, and so there's a ton of functionality that we use Microsoft AI for.
It's also been incredible working with the digital natives team and global partner solutions. It's really an amazing experience to go into an account and to have someone there that already knows who is actually the decision maker there, who are the important stakeholders, and also how has the business been thinking about AI, right? Every business is thinking about what is their AI play going to be, and it very much depends on, by enterprise to enterprise. And so it's incredibly helpful having those experts come in who already are familiar with the business and the most important stakeholders. We really look forward to continuing collaborating with Microsoft, not just in making sure that our system is on Azure and deployed in all of these different jurisdictions, but also on creating new systems and creating new models.